are at the manufacturing facility of the India's best orthopedic mattress. Let's have a look around and let's see how we deliver the best sleep ever to our fellow Indians. The facility that you see over here is spread across a whopping area of more than 2 lakh square feet. The machines that you see over here have been bought in from China, Germany, Netherlands, and some small components are even bought in from Japan to bring in more accuracy. We are proud to say that we have one of the highest installed capacity in terms of production of mattresses per day, which is almost churning out 2,000 mattresses per day, equivalent to 60,000 mattresses in a month. We are proud to say that we are one of the rare facilities in India which are ISI, ISO and SEDEX 2-pillar approved.
The manufacturing unit is fully integrated in terms of the manufacturing process, producing raw materials in-house, assembling and packaging the finished products. With wellness being the guidance force, our dreams are supported by a highly efficient team of professionals in the field of manufacturing, engineering, design, quality control, logistics, technology, and each and everything related to producing the perfect mattress for your peaceful sleep. Our team of experts oversees each step of the process, from foam formation, foam cutting, spring coiling, and every tiny step involved to ensure the highest quality. And let me tell you, the automated machines that we have are so precise and built for perfection that they hardly have an error of 0.1 mm. So you always get the right size of the mattress. Also, these automated machines help us to minimize wastage, thus helping us provide the best cost of the product to you. Once the raw materials are ready, we proceed ahead with assembling the mattress. Bringing together layers, pasting, fabricating, quilting is what follows next to make the perfect mattress.